Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to use Grok 4 without paying for SuperGrok with LMarena AI method. Let's dive into a common challenge faced by many tech enthusiasts. Accessing the powerful features of Grok 4 without the costly SuperGrok subscription. This tutorial will guide you through an ingenious method using LMarena AI to unlock Grok 4's potential without straining your wallet. Imagine being able to tap into this tool's capabilities for your projects, research, or creative endeavors without the financial commitment. Intrigued? Let's get started. The first step in this process is to open up your favorite internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you prefer. Once your browser is ready, head over to Google. Simply type Google in the URL bar and hit enter. It's a straightforward start, but it's crucial for getting us on the right path. Now, with Google open, focus on the search bar. Here, you'll need to type LMarena into the search field. As you type, Google's helpful autocomplete feature may offer suggestions to speed up your search. Choose LMarena from the suggestions or finish typing it out yourself, then press enter. This will bring up a list of results. Next, find the official LMarena website in the search results. It's usually one of the first links you'll see, clearly marked to help you identify the correct site. Click on this link, and you'll be directed to the LMarena homepage. Once there, keep an eye out for an option labeled Battle. This is going to be your gateway into the deeper functionalities of LMarena. Clicking the Battle option will transport you to a new page brimming with possibilities. However, to stay focused on our goal, look for the Direct Chat button on this page. Engaging with this feature is key to utilizing Grok 4 without a subscription fee. It allows you to interact directly with the model, setting the stage for the next steps. Now, it's time to concentrate on selecting the right model. After clicking on Direct Chat, you'll be prompted to choose a model. Here's where you type Grok in the selection field. This action will narrow down the options and guide you toward the specific model you need, Grok 479. Select Grok 479 from the list, and you're almost there. This choice will bring you to a space where you can test out a prompt, allowing you to interact with the Grok 4 model effectively. In the text input area provided, type in a basic test question, such as, "What model are you?" This is a simple yet vital step to ensure everything is working correctly. To submit your test prompt, click on the Submit button. Doing so will prompt the model to respond, confirming that you have successfully interacted with Grok 4. And just like that, you've accessed Grok 4 using the LMarena AI method without needing a SuperGrok subscription. This efficient approach not only saves you money but also opens up a world of opportunities to explore Grok 4's diverse features, whether for advanced research or creative projects. And that wraps it up. If how to use Grok 4 without paying for SuperGrok with LMarena AI method feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.